As a commodity and energy software trading company, Brady deals with around 300 commodity traders on a daily basis. GTR catches up with CEO Gavin Lavelle on recent regulatory changes, the availability of financing, and the need for strong compliance systems.
Clearly, the bank finance has been much tighter. There's been a lot of focus with the upcoming change in regulation, particularly Basel III. At one point, the governments are saying we need to extend finance to companies, and in the next breath we're saying they have to increase their capital requirements. So financing has been constrained. I think the main effect for us is this is a shift from a balance sheet credit facility, so offering an overall credit line to a particular commodity trading company, to transaction-led finance. For the banks pulling in their credit lines whilst the credit crunch is in full flow, is understandable. But then again, if you look forward, I think the commodities markets present very interesting investment opportunities. And despite the sell-off in many asset classes, some of the commodity prices are at or close to all-time highs. So the investment interest is there. There is demand for the end products. And I think that presents very good opportunities for the banks to extend finance and generate good margin on the commodity business. The banks extending the finance want to ensure that the commodity trading company has effective systems and control. Commodity companies are required to show they've got their financing and liquidity under control. They've got good counterparty risk management. They have operational risk under control so that they know where all the goods and transactions are. I think particularly for the smaller organization, demonstrating that they've got good systems in place, good processes, good controls is now a prerequisite to getting finance from the banks. The regulators want to have more transparency for commodity trading, and I think that either the industry can anticipate change that's going to come and work with the regulations, or resist it. But I think generally it's better to work with the regulators to be on board with them.